son. You just come in at the mid and you see video do. You don't know, young, but then a young girl, you only. You look all on me and I go to school. Me stop go to school. Thank God. How I know? I shower me say, shower. Show. Me and my neighbor. What is the neighbor? Today is Jamaican Day. Jamaica, we have a day now in Jamaica, Jamaican Day today. You understand me, man? You can put in green, you can put in yellow, you can put in black. Any color you want, any color you choose.
Man, whole concentration. That's what it's supposed to do. Yeah, JB. JB. That boy is a very stupid boy. You don't want on JB. You want JB? We have the greatest rum of Jamaica. This is JB rum. What's the problems? What's the problems? But concentrate. Turn around. Come over that side. We are JB. Yeah, that me tell you. JB. Yes, you JB too. Yes, JB. That's what me told you. What are you waiting for? Come. Yes, JB. You see them birds that they know rum. And they know it's JB near rum. That's why they don't want to taste JB. What's the problem? Unu is a very stupid bird. Yo, quiet! What's on your mind?
JB.
No, they want some water. Want water?
Take up that tape.
Catch it, no make you run out.
Water there.
Water there.
Catch it and make it down out.
Water too? Me go give you water too.
One day I can choke. Choke me for that one day.
Spew some water down your throat. You don't concentrate. You don't concentrate? Are you concentrating?
Hold down. Hold it down.
See right there. We are JB. Never mind.
JB.
We are tap up and tap up and tap up. No tap
They
up.
watch your road for you, but they see they watch your road for you.
My youth. Them birds are not watch road because they're not driving a road. You there now road?
Only drive, the
No,
driving
you
on
there
road.
now road? No.
I levitate, we levitate.
No, you be sit down and watch the show, man. And quiet. What is that?
Alright, sir.
Sit down and
Goliath.
watch. Sit down and watch the show and
Yeah,
quiet.
man, Goliath. Yeah.
Hey. Goliath. Are you near Goliath? How are you near Goliath? What's the problem with you? You're not concentrating, none at all. Jesse JB. A good JB we are drinking. He's a very stupid bird. Jesse JB. What are you looking at it for? Jesse JB. Looking like up, man, and Jesse JB. That's what I told you. Jesse JB. You see them birds that they have too much sense. You have to go get some dollars. Yeah. Are we going over the sofa? Bumbaras, class. Different selection you play now. We're going over the sofa. Hey, look, come on, more special come for me. Hey, bird, come over the side. Because you're now holding concentration. How you come over here, sofa? Go over the sofa. You want to go over the too? He's a very stupid bird. Very stupid bird. Come over here, someone. Come over here, son. He can't see you. Making can't see you. You want to see him? Where you see him for? Bumbaras, you want to see him?
You say, Birdman, you don't see him or you don't want to see him or you can't see him?
Me no know. You have to hold the concentration better than that.
The concentration of conscience way, sir.
What you talk about? You know that in a show none at all. So you have to start a show.
Oh.
The bird and the whole in concentration. Hold the concentration. You see? Stop talking. I'm not talk to you. What are you looking for? You're a very stupid bird. Very stupid bird
Very
are you?
Very stupid.
Very stupid bird. How are you walk go this so far?
He busy, man. He
Eh,
concerned.
be a tell him.
He concerned. What go on, sir? What go on, sir?
You want to find out? You want to find out? How you jump over?